What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on BABY Doge token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will show you some fundamental news that might drive the price of this token. And then we will continue with the technical analysis and with the probable outcome for this token. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, I drew these two lines, these two slope lines on my previous video. And as you can see, it is a falling bullish wedge. And I've told you that we might hit 0.65 level, 0.618 and 0.786 levels. And basically we hit it and we have a reaction. On top of that, let me show you that we have a Fibonacci retracement from the very bottom to the very top. And we also have very good reaction from the level of 0.618. We hit it to the tick. And also we have this top as our first wave on a slightly smaller scale, and this is also very good support slash resistance. And we have this reaction, we have very good breakout from this formation. Let me adjust a little bit this line. And we have very good reaction, and for now, from the very bottom, we are up for about 84%. And it is a very significant up movement, and we have to keep an eye that we might have a continuation trend. But let's continue with some fundamentals first of all. Let's start with the total sentiment of the crypto market. As you can see, we have 1.57% increase over the last day, and so far we have $1.39 trillion in total cap, and all the major cryptocurrencies are in green. And it is very good sign because 2 days in a row, yesterday and the day before yesterday, we had red days. So, and let's continue with the BABY Doge coin. For now, it has 29.86% gains, and the volume is lower for about 40% during last 24 hours, and for now it is a little bit higher than $14 million. So let me show you that we have this step, and as you can see, it is moving down, and it is not a very good sign because when we are moving up, we have to see more volume than we had previously. And for now, I think we might have some kind of retracement pattern, and I will show you in my technical analysis why I'm thinking so. So let's continue with their official website, and as you can see, it is a pretty standard DeFi token. It has tokenomics, and the tokenomics is when you have transaction fee. Each transaction is taxed for about 10%, and 5% of each transaction added to liquidity pool, and another 5% of each transaction redistributed to holders. And this 5% is the tokenomics itself, because the more you hold this token, the more tokens you will receive. And they also have some charity programs to save dogs, and it is quite standard to have this type of background around these DeFi tokens. On top of that, let me show you, if we press this Reddit button, we will see this web page. And as you can see, it is not the real community, it is just a user BABY Doge coin, as you can see right here. And the link from the official website leads to the private web page. It's something unusual. On top of that, let me show you that this post was made 25 days ago, this post was made 1 month ago, and another 1 month ago, 1 month, 1 month, 1 month. Of course, it might not be the best, the most popular social media account when they decide to put the information in, because they have this Twitter, and for now they have 125,000 followers, and this number is growing rapidly, and in my opinion this is the very important source of their information. And let's continue with it. So, as you can see, this tweet I covered in my previous video, and here is the recent one. And as you can see, they already signed the contract with the NASCAR race team, and they have this beautiful car with the colors of BABY Doge coin. And it is very good, in my opinion, that they have this type of PR company. And we will see the results of this company just in several hours, because today we will see this race. So, and let's continue with news. If you type in Baby Dogecoin in the Google search tab, you can see that the latest news is related to the NASCAR. And let me show you this. Baby Doge to debut in NASCAR with branded number 68 Camaro. And here is the car itself, and you can see this car from every point of view, and it's very interesting to have this type of commercial on NASCAR. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So, as you can see, we have this very good price action, and let me show you that we hit exactly 0.236 level, and the greater scale, the Fibonacci retracement level from the very bottom to the very top, is very useful levels. As you can see, we have 0.236 Fibonacci retracement, and we hit it to the tick and have a reaction. On top of that, we had a reaction from the level of 0.618 on a greater scale, and we hit it to the tick and have a reaction. Next one, 0.382 level, we have a reaction from here, retracement, and then went up. We don't have any reactions from 0.5 level, and it is quite unusual because it is a very strong level, but nevertheless we have this type of reaction. And what to expect next? Basically, let me show you, let me clean the chart a little bit. If I pull a Fibonacci retracement tool from the very top to the very bottom, as you can see, we also have some confluence levels. So let me do it like this. As you can see, we have 0.382 level, and we hit it to the tick, and we have a confluence level with the 0.382 from the bottom to the top, from the very bottom to the very top. And for now we hit exactly 0.618 level, and this level is the most probable level of trend reversal. So, what to expect next? In my opinion, we have two possibilities. First of all, we have to break this 0.65, 0.618 resistance levels in order to establish next potential leg to the upside, and this will indicate that we are more bullish than bearish. But I have some concerns because we don't have enough volume down here, and that's why we might have ABC correction. And let me show you right here that we might have this is our A wave, this is our B wave, and we have to have one more leg to the downside in order to land the bottom of our C wave. And we have to keep an eye on this price action of this probable outcome, and you have to keep an eye on the next potential support level right here at the price point of $0.361 mark. And if we will break it to the downside, it might indicate that we are still quite bearish, and we have to have one more leg to the downside. So, and what should you do if you want to catch this trade? Basically, first of all, do not put the money that you are not willing to lose. Second one, do not go all in. And third one, do not put stop loss close to your entry price. And as I've told you, we have a couple of entry points right here and right here at the levels. Let me show it to you. At the levels of 0.65 and 0.786, and from this point we are still up. If we put it in the middle, we are still up for more than 59%, and it is a rather good gain. But what to expect next and what should you do? Basically, you can ladder your buys down if you believe in this token. You can ladder your buys down during the down movement, and in my opinion we will hit the 0.382 level, and this level might be very crucial for this asset, because if we will break it to the downside, this will indicate that we are more bearish than bullish. And if we will have a bounce from this, and if we will break this upper resistance of 0.65, 0.618, this means we are more bullish. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!